Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Okay, all right. So there's the bell. Let's see. Go ahead and do the do now, and then we'll come back and talk about this. Now, I know that this is probably one step further than we were yesterday, but I thought we should try this nonetheless. So let's say, right? Because let's use this as part of today's lesson because I want to make sure that we can finish this, okay, today. Okay, now let's say we were do this the old-fashioned way. All right, so this is gonna take a while, but it's okay. Let's say I want to draw the net of this box, this rectangular prism. So I'm gonna orient it like this, where the 8's facing me and the 9's here. Okay, now that means, now let's do the two flaps on the side. So what does that mean? So that what I'm talking about is right here, the left, right. Okay. Now again, you might not see it the way I do, but that's okay. So let me see. Let me do this. I gotta make sure I label them as I go. So what is that? That's 9. What's down here? So that's 5, right? Because that's the height. Same thing. By the way, you're gonna hear a lot of noise in the next 2 days till the end of the school year because two houses down, the person is tearing down their house as we speak. All right, so you would expect there to be quite a bit of noise. Now let's see. Now again, right, as you do this, remind yourself, hey, what would the shape even remotely look like? It should look like a hopscotch, right? So let's see, that's 5. So this is 5. That has to be. So this is 8, right? Because this is 8. So the bottom would also be like that. That's 5 and 8. You know, I'm going to move this 8 up here. Oh, I can't. Okay, all right. And I need the top. So let's see, where's the top? Right? So like this. Now this one, I gotta be careful with the dimensions. This is 8 by 9, yeah. All right. So okay, so that leaves us with the calculations to do. All right, so the area. So 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 5 is 45. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 9 is 72. And then now I got to add all these numbers up. So let me get the calculator. What would that be? Let's see. 40 plus 45 plus 72 plus 45 plus 40 plus 72. So that's 314. Okay. 314 what? Millimeters squared. Okay. So that's that. All right, moving on. What else? Okay, Unit 8, Day 37B. So the reason why I made it 37A, B, and C is because the website that I use, I don't know if you guys know where these numbers come from. So there's a guy in Japan that collects basketball jerseys. And so he had it organized by like all kinds of different things. He organized it by name, he can organize it by number, he organized it by college. All right, which I thought was crazy. So, yeah, and apparently he doesn't have any. He doesn't have any basketball jerseys where the number is 38 or 39. So we're gonna be stuck at 37. All right. Besides, I kind of like the name of the player here, World Peace. I thought it was kind of cool. So we'll just do 37B today and 37C tomorrow, and that's it. Okay, end of the school year. So. All right, now let's see. Homework. Yep, there's 5 questions on the homework. I don't have any announcements to make. So, okay, let's try to do as many of these sort of, not sort of, these service area questions as possible today so we can do a lot less work tomorrow. okay, because it's the last day of school. Now, this is where we are coming from. So yesterday, now last week we were talking about nets, right? So we turned the cereal box into a net, and then yesterday I showed you guys how to get the surface area, right? By getting the area of each of the rectangles and then adding them together. And then we got some practice for that. So where was the practice? Yeah, no. Oh yeah, I know where it is. All right, we did practice for this one, right? This triangular prism. We did it for the net. All right, I erased it. By the way, let me erase this while I'm at it. All right, so what else? I erased that, and then yep, we used this question as an example also. And then we did that as an example. So today we're just gonna practice, like as much practice as we possibly can fit into like 15 minutes. All right, let's see. Hold on, let me know what's the best thing to do. You know what? Let me pick one of each shape. So let's go straight to practice. All right, I'm gonna pick one of each to do with all of you, even though we did the do now already. So how should we go about doing this? Okay. Let's see. I want to show you two ways of doing this. I want to show you the old-fashioned way of drawing a net, and I want to show you the new-fashioned way of not drawing the net. And that would go faster. So how should we approach this? All right, you know what? Let's do one of each, and then I'll show you a faster way of doing like one of each, and then I'll just let you guys practice. Okay, how about that? All right, let me see if the questions are good enough. Let's see. You know what? Let's use this then. Yeah, okay, yeah. All right, so I'm going to pick these three questions. I'm going to pick these three. Should I do that? Which one should I use? All right, this is not good. I'm not good at making decisions on the fly. All right, okay, one of each. All right, so we'll draw a net for them, and then we'll calculate the surface area. All right, so let's see now. Let's draw a net for each. So here we have this. So that's 3 by 2. Okay, I'm gonna draw it a little bit less neat than usual because I want to finish this. All right, so we got this, right? The left, right sides of the box. Now what is that? That's 2. And the height is, what did I tell you? Oh, that's 2. The 2's the height, right? Yeah. So what's this? That's 2. Yeah, this is 2, right? Because this is 2. So yeah, so that's 2. So this is a 2 by 2 actually. So that's a 2 by 2. Let's use different colors. All right, so let's see. We got the front and the back. All right, so right here. That's 3. So this has to be 2. That's 3. So that has to be 2. Let me draw the top down. So top down, right, like this. Yeah. And this is a 2 by 3. Let me double check. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's get the answers down. All right, let's pick a nice color. Okay, all right, 3 by 2, that's 6. 2 by 2, that's 4. 3 by 2, that's 6. 2 by 2, that's 4. 3 by 2 is 6. Am I right? What's going on? Did I do something wrong? I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Wait, what? 3 by 2, right? That's 3 by 2, yeah. That's 3 by... Wait, what? Am I sure? 2 by 3. Yeah, that's 2 by 3. This is 3 by 2. Yep. And that is 3 by 2. Yeah. Huh. Okay. All right. Keep feeling like I'm wrong, though. Could I possibly be wrong? Only these two sides is 2 by 2, right? No, I think I'm right. Yeah, 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. That's 3 by 2. This is 2, so that's 3, and this is 2, so that's 3. Yeah, okay. All right, let's see, what does that mean? 6 plus 4 is 10, 10, 20, 26, 32. All right, okay. All right, now let's try this next one. Let's start at the base to me, which is this one, the 10 by 12 right down here. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Now I have 3 rectangles and 2 triangles, right? That's what these kind of shapes do. So let me get this. I'll try this right here. Very small rectangle. So this is 5, and so this is 10. Okay. And then I'll get this bigger one here. So that is this. Now what is this? This is 10 by 13. Now what's 13? This is 13 and that's 10. Yeah, it has to be, right? 10, 10, 10. What am I missing? I'm missing the 2 triangles. Let's see, so what does that mean? That's this and this, right? By the way, these are right triangles, right? So let's see, how would this get attached? It would look something like this. Okay, now it's a little bit out of proportion, I get it. Okay, all right, so that's the right angle, right? So that's a 5 by 12, so 5 here, 12 straight up. Yep, 5 here, 12 straight up. Okay, got that? All right, now let's see. No, what's going on here? Let's do this. 12 by 10 is 120. 5 by 10 is 50. That's 130. Notice how all 3 numbers are different, right? Because they're 3 different sides. It's a 5, 12, 13 right triangle. Okay, it's one of the classic right triangles, by the way. So 5 times 12 is 60. So half of that is 30, right? Yeah, am I right? Yeah, okay. So that's 30. So what does that say about the answer? Let's see, 30, this is 150, 200, 330, 360. Okay, all right, not bad. We're going pretty fast. Okay, so I'm pretty happy about that. All right, last one. All right, I just found this yesterday. So let's see. So this is a 2 by 2. I got the 4 sides, which I'm just gonna use the same color for. Is it? Yeah, because this is a 2 by 2. So all 4. If this is a 2 by 2, all the triangles are the same. I'm only gonna draw this once. All right. So you see what I'm saying? So this is 3.2. Right. So that immediately. Let me pick a really cool color. All right. So 2, 2 is 4. 3.2 times 4 divided by 2. Huh? Okay. No, 3.2 times 2, actually. 3.2 times 2. Oh, divided by 2, that's 3. Okay. All right. Whole number. That's good. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16, I guess, square miles. Okay. All right. Not bad. Yeah. How are we doing on time? Let's see. Yeah, let's practice, okay? So I'm going to give you a couple of examples to practice, and then that's it, okay? So go ahead and try, let's try one of each. So let me put them together like this. So try these, try these. Okay, now I'm like making a mess. All right. What should I do? How should I do this? Okay, let me shrink this. Alright, it is disconcerting to me how much is going on right behind me. on the street as I'm doing this. All right, okay. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this. All right. So you should do these 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. Try these 3 questions. Let's see. Okay, press pause, and then when you come back, I'll show you the answer. Okay, and I'll show you what's the fastest way of doing this. Okay, press pause right now. Okay, all right, and we're back. So as you can see, I didn't actually do anything yet because I want to show you the fastest way of doing this. So here's how you can do this. Okay, now without me drawing anything, you're just going to have to listen very carefully, because I'm going to describe how I'm going to do this. Okay, now, usually I like to do the bottom and the top covers first. So I'm going to do 12 times 6, which is 72, right? So I got 2 72s going on, right? That covers this one and the top one. And now I'm going to do left, right, right? Because you see, you kind of know how I usually do this. So that's 7 times 6. That's 2 of these. That's 42, right? Left, right. And then I can do front, back. So 7 times 12, what's 7 times 12? Is that 84? Yep, plus another 84, and then let's add it up. Hold on, I have a phone call right now. Hold on, press pause. Okay, all right, so yeah, I was just having a phone conversation with another teacher. All right, let's see, let's add this up. So I'm gonna need my calculator. Let's see. All right, we're almost there. 72 plus 72 plus 42 plus 42 plus 84 plus 84. That's 396. Okay. Centimeters squared. Okay. All right. Let's see. The next one, I'm gonna do that in the same manner. All right. So I'll start off with the base. That's 8 by 4. That's 32. Okay. And then I'll do the other 2 rectangles. That's 8. Oh wait, what? Oh, this one we can't do this one. You know what? I'm gonna make up a number. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make that a 5. All right. So this is where the Pythagorean theorem comes from. That you have to use these 2 to find a third length, but I'm gonna circumvent the situation. All right. So that's 5. So 8 by 5. That's 40. All right. That's 4 by 8. That's 32. Am I right? Yep. Plus the 2 triangles. That's 4. 4, 16 divided by 2 is 8. There's 2 of these. All right, so let's see. 32 plus that's 72. Hold on, let me see. Yep, 72 plus 8. I'm just going to cross them out as I go. 72 plus 8. That's 80. 88. 88 plus 32. 120. 120 inches squared. Okay, again, I just had to make that number up. So I got to say. All right, this last one. Oh, I didn't give you time to try it, right? All right, try this one on your own right now. So press pause, okay? All right, okay. So here we have the base here. That's a 10 by 10, all right? I'm assuming they didn't tell you, so that's a 10 by 10. That's 100 plus the 4 of these triangles, right? So you see why I wrote that? 10 times 12 is 120. That's 60. That's 100 plus 240. Am I right? Yeah, that's 340 meters squared. That's it, okay? So we're done. On the website, there's a video that's optional and there's an activity that's optional. So if you want to watch it, these are word problems with, you know, surface area. So do that, and then there's a homework, okay? So I'm going to stop it right here. Thanks for watching. All right, have a good day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, bye-bye. Okay. Oh, there we go. There's the bell. All right. Don't tell me you don't miss that bell.
OMG, that was so good.